What's going on, everybody? So since I got the car like completely black on black, even those dark tints on the sides, this trim here, I know the car is dirty. This trim here, I'm gonna be dipping it black soon when the weather is good. And I got the front lip kit, so that looks very aggressive. I just got this delivered yesterday in the mail. I'm gonna install this in the front instead of that to get rid of the white, and I'm about to do that right now. I think it's gonna look like a 2020 pretty much, because when I saw the video, it was pretty much everything was black. Even the trim was black, the plate area was black, and it looked amazing, so I want it like that. Yeah, but this is nice. Plus this suits the veteran plate, of course, so police or cop stops or anything like that, they'll understand. It's like support pretty much. So I'm about to do it. Let's see how it looks. Look at that, man. Yeah, it's hard, a little dirty for now, but look at that panel. Look at that reflection though. Look at that. What happened? Dirty as shit. Damn. What's going on, fans? So I got that plate installed like I said I would, but I gotta paint those 2 screws there. But it still doesn't look bad. That's how it looks. Front lip kit, and then that. What I'm gonna do maybe tomorrow, hopefully, I'm gonna black out this trim in the front, and then so it can be all blacked out in the front. And today I did a literally 8-month restore of this car, because when I had a brain surgery, I didn't get a chance to wash it throughout the storm and the winter and the rain and the wind. So today I definitely gave it like 2.5 hour good. So it's like brand new car again. So you see, as you can see, tints are still there. What I'm gonna do with this trim here, I'm also gonna make them black. And I ordered the vinyl to delete those trim as well, to black them out, so it could be like completely black on black, and I think it's gonna look very aggressive. And yeah, if you check this out, it's like, this wax is amazing. I use this wax right here. I use this pretty much to restore my paint, and all that dirt is going to like go away easily after like washing it twice with a foam and a pressure washer. That's the back. Show you guys. Finally, that's a beauty. You see, back to shine again. That looks amazing, but that wax is nice. It's I put water on it and it just slides right off. So let's see when the rain comes. Hopefully it just goes away. So I'm missing that front piece trim and the window trim and this trim. I'll be working on that. But overall, I'm just happy I got my paint restored throughout, like got rid of all that dust and junk that was stuck to my car. But yeah, so that's how it looks overall now. The intake is installed. I still gotta upload the video, but I gotta get my nephew to like record me from outside so you get good clips for you guys. Be patient, hit the like button, subscribe, and definitely share the channel. And thanks for the support.